to the progressive muscle relaxation with your dog. For those familiar with the progressive muscle relaxation, we're going to go through all the body parts, gently tightening them, contracting the muscles on an inhale, and then releasing them on the exhale. The only difference is that as we're going through our own body parts, we will also help our dogs by gently squeezing the body part and releasing it for them. So bring their awareness and attention, gently contracting the muscle and releasing it. For those that might not be familiar with the meditation, have a listen through, watch the whole meditation, and then give it a try with your dog. So to begin, find a comfortable seat. Place your hands on your dog's back. Invite them into the meditative space with you and become aware of your own breath. Inhale and exhale. Don't force the breath, just become aware as it's moving through your nostril, through your throat, into your chest, and down into your abdomen. Once you're ready, you can gently close your eyes and we will begin our relaxation. Inhale and bring your awareness to your feet and gently place your hand on your dog's foot. And as you inhale, squeeze your feet, gently curling your toes, and give your dog's foot a little squeeze. And exhale, release. Inhale, bring your attention to your calves, tighten them, gently squeeze your dog's lower leg. Exhale, relax. Inhale, bring your attention to your thighs. Place your hand on your dog's thigh. Inhale, squeeze. Exhale, release. Bring your attention to your buttocks. Place your hand at the base of your dog's tail. Contract. Squeeze. Exhale, release. Bring your attention to your lower back. Inhale, squeeze. And release. And now inhale, gently squeeze your abdomen. Place your hand on your dog's belly. Exhale, release. Inhale, squeeze your mid-back, tighten your mid-back. Gently squeeze your dog's mid-back. Exhale, release. Gently tighten your chest, squeeze your dog's chest, and release. Place your hands on your dog's shoulders and bring your own attention to your shoulders. Squeeze and release. Now bring your attention to your neck, to your dog's neck. On the inhale, gently squeeze and release. And now bring your attention to your face, the top of your head. Place your hand on your dog's head. squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Release. Take a couple of deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. And let's try this one more time. Inhale, squeeze your feet, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Exhale, release. Inhale, squeeze your calves. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Exhale, release. Inhale, tighten your thighs. Release. Bring your attention to your buttocks, to the base of your dog's tail. Squeeze and release. Inhale, contract your lower back, your abdomen. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And release. Inhale, bring your attention to your mid-back, to your chest. Squeeze, squeeze. Exhale, release. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Squeeze. And release. Bring your attention to yours and your dog's neck. Squeeze and release. And again, bring your attention to your face and the top of your head. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Exhale, release. And let's close with a couple more cleansing breaths. Inhale. And exhale. And one more time. Inhale. And exhale. I hope both you and your dog found this relaxing and enjoyed the few minutes of progressive muscle relaxation. Thank you for joining me.